Enozo uses the power of nature, combined with state-of-the-art technology, to create a powerful cleaner, sanitizer and deodorizer. With a pull of a trigger, Enozo turns regular tap water into aqueous ozone on demand through our patented active diamond electrolytic process technology. Water passes through a solid diamond electrode, is charged like an electrical current, and turned into ozonated water. Enozo is capable of killing 99.9% of some of the most harmful germs and pathogens, including E. coli, Salmonella, Staph A, and even the testing surrogate for the human coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. Clean and sanitize safer and more sustainably.